In today's video, I'm going to teach you Midjourney tutorial, how to find my prompt and art in Discord. We'll move step by step so you can quickly locate your prompts and the images Midjourney generated for you. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is simply to make sure you reach the official site safely. In the search bar, type Discord and press enter. From the results, click the official Discord website so you can access your account. If you're prompted to sign in, do that now and you'll land in your Discord home. Next, look at the left sidebar and select the Midjourney server. I'm assuming you're already a member. Once you're in, choose one of the newbie channels. These public channels are where lots of users test prompts, and it's often where you started if you're new. Being in the same channel you used earlier makes it much easier to find your posts. Now, go to the upper right corner and click the search bar. On desktop, this is the magnifying glass icon. Clicking it opens the full search panel with filters. This is where the magic happens. Inside the search panel, click on Mentions. That tells Discord to only show messages that directly mention you. This matters because when Midjourney replies with your image grid or upscales, the bot tags your username, so those results will surface immediately. In the search field, type your username exactly as it appears on Discord. Using the @ before your name helps the filter catch your mentions cleanly. Give it a moment, and you should see a list of messages that mention you in the current channel. Each result typically includes your original prompt text, along with the images the Midjourney bot produced. Click any result to jump straight to that message in the chat. From there, you can view the full-size image, use the upscaling or variation buttons if they're available, or save the image to your device. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure you're searching in the same channel where you ran your prompt, since Discord search is channel-specific unless you broaden it. If nothing shows up, double-check the spelling of your username and confirm you're in the correct server and channel. Also, wait a moment if your prompt is very recent. The bot may still be generating. On mobile, the search icon is also at the top. The steps are the same. That's it. By using the search bar, selecting mentions, and typing your username, you can reliably find your Midjourney prompts and art in Discord anytime.